Hey guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Huntington letter the U.S. Energy Secretary ordered domestic oil refiners this month to not further increase export of fuel like gasoline and diesel, adding that the Biden administration might need to consider taking action if the plants do not build inventories. U.S. refiners have boosted oil products export this month as domestic crude oil production rose and global fuel demand continued to recover. Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm, in a letter sent August 18, Oregon 7 refiners, including Valero, ExxonMobil, and Chevron, to build supplies of fuel as the United States enter peak hurricane season. Given the historic level of U.S. refined product export, again urge you the focus in the near term on building inventories in the United States rather than selling down current stock and further increasing export. Granholm said in the letter sent to refiners, a copy of which was sent by Reuters. High U.S. oil product export have been a concern from the administration of President Joe Biden this summer as gasoline prices briefly hit a record of $5 a gallon, helping drive inflation to 40-year high. Gasoline prices have since fallen to about $3.86 per gallon. Further, weather forecast centers have projected an above-average Atlantic hurricane season, which can be a perilous time for refineries. Still, high gasoline prices remain a threat to Biden fellow Democrats ahead of the November midterm election when they hope to retain control of both chambers of Congress. Granholm said the administration is talking with state officials along the East Coast where gasoline levels are at their lowest in nearly a decade. It is putting the gasoline and heating oil reserves in the U.S. Northwest, which hold 2 million barrels of fuel on active standby for potential risks and preparing other emergency contingency actions, she said. The administration hopes that companies will proactively address this need of building inventories, she said. If that does not happen, the administration will need to consider additional federal requirements or other emergency measures. Granholm added without providing detail. In a wide-ranging meeting with the same refiners in June, Granholm backed off a plan to ban U.S. fuel export, but the idea has never fully left the table. Refiners have said a ban could swamp the domestic market with fuel and cause some plants to cut output, which could decrease supply and put upward pressure on prices. In additional, not hurt refiners import crude and fuel trade that could be affected by an export ban. The exporter is at best a distraction, at worst counterproductive to price and supply, said a source familiar with Granholm talk with refiners. In Poland, late summer had dozens of cars and trucks lined up at the Lubelski Węgiełzbudnica coal mine as householder for full of winter store take wait for days and night to stock of up on hating full and quite reminiscent of communist type. After 57, a pensioner drove up from Sweet Neck, some 30 kilometer, 18 miles. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.